Okay, today we are going to look at this trait. This trait that you see on the screen right here is called the claw hook, which can be found in the small letter Y and G. I have never seen this claw, which can be found in small letters Y and G's. For the past 20 years, I am in this field. But one day, I found this in a handwriting of a person from an agency which provides permanent resident applications for other countries. During that time, I was looking for application to apply permanent residence in other countries like Canada or New Zealand. So I was just looking for consultation. I was invited to go to the office, which normally I will avoid going, but that day I was a bit free, so I thought just go and see what's going on. So when I saw this, I knew something was not right, okay? But at that time when this person was speaking to me, explaining the ins and outs of becoming a permanent resident, my mind actually had a conflict with the way I feel about it and the way I have logically analyzed from her handwriting. So you may ask me why. Before I go ahead to tell you why I could even have that kind of conflicting thinking and feeling when the evidence is right in front of me, we have to go ahead to the next handwriting trait that is from the same person. By the way, this claw that you see right here actually signifies the tendency for this person to find some loopholes to cheat his or her way through for their own benefit. This trait that you see right now, double loop left and right inside of a small letter O and the end loop in letter S. This trait exists on the same handwriting. The double loop left and right, in which in Science of Handwriting Analysis signifies dishonesty. Left side of the loop is dishonesty towards self, while the right signifies being secretive. However, if you combine the loops together in this small letter O like this, it shows dishonesty. As you can see in these words, Services and IELTS, do you notice the curve in the letters S? This screams the same. I've never seen this handwriting trait in my whole life, except at this moment. I was quite surprised actually. I know it was negative, okay? I know it's not a good character, but the handwriting itself in general, it's very clean, very clear, not messy. And I want you to know that only one out of the probably 6,000 and 8,000 handwritings that I have analyzed throughout the years, this is the only one time I saw. Not the letter O. What I'm talking about is the letter S. As I promised earlier, what made my mind and feelings conflicted during the time, even though the evidence is already right in front of me, proving to me about this person? Okay, the person who was attending to me was a woman, and she was very beautiful, really beautiful. And the funny thing is this, when I was learning about this handwriting trait, right, it clearly said that the person who writes with these strokes will be beautiful or good looking, that the one who will be deceived could fall into the trap because they will not expect that this person will lie or cheat. I am not kidding, because when I was there, if I was not in a mode of being cautioned, or if I was a bit younger than I was during that time, I think I would commit to it because of how the person presents herself and what I can say but because it happened to me just recently, long story short, I was very attentive at that time when she was talking to me. Basically, I had the upper hand, so I did not commit anything to them. And then after the meeting, what I did was I did more in-depth research regarding the company, including herself, because I did do some research, but it was not really very in-depth. I was just searching whether this company exists in Singapore, and it was a registered company. I can say that I did not regret for not relying on her. So if you see this kind of trait in your friend or someone whom you just met, please get your emotion out of the way